Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we're taking a look at an intermediate version of Black Sabbath by Black Sabbath. Let's kick things off by taking a look at the main riff. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to kick things off with the G5 power chord. We're going to play the D string, so that's the octave of the G root. And then we're playing with our second finger on the A string. And that's the flattened fifth interval. That's what gives it that really kind of demonic heavy sound. So let's just play that riff.